I'm about to be on. Been on this mission since I first left home. Packed up my bags like I'm grown. Told myself to show myself to do no wrongs. Like I'm about to be on. Been on this mission since I first left home. Packed up my bags like I'm grown.
Okay, what's up YouTube? My name is Galen and this is Galen's Gadgets. I want to thank you so much for joining my channel today. If you have not already, please do not forget to like and subscribe. So today I will actually be going over something I've been waiting forever for. I've been waiting for Soundcore to come out with a premium noise cancelling earbud, and they delivered. These are the Liberty Air 2 Pros by Soundcore. A lot of you know I'm a huge Soundcore fan just because of the amount of audio quality and just build quality that they put in their audio products at lower prices. I've had the original Liberty Air 2s. You guys have seen me review the Life Q30 headphones. I'm just a huge Soundcore fan in general. So yeah, these are the Liberty Air 2 Pros. These came out around a week and a half ago, I believe. These are Soundcore's newest product, and I'm just going to be unboxing it for you today. First off, I'm just going to show you what's on the box. As you can see, it says Soundcore by Anchor, and then it has the Liberty Air 2 Pros at the top, and these do have noise cancelling. These are true wireless earbuds. Let's see what else it has on the bottom. It says it has a hybrid ANC, a pure note technology, 26-hour playtime, and they do have wireless charging, so that's a great feature. It has pure note technology. It says drivers coated with tin hardened nano layers that generate stunning accuracy and clarity. Okay, so it has targeted active noise cancelling, pure note technology for subline sound, Hear ID personalized sound. That's pretty cool. I'll show you guys what that looks like in the app. Clear calls via 6 noise cancelling mics, 7-hour playtime on the earbuds. You get 26 hours with the charging case. And it says this is recommended by 10 Grammy winning artists and musicians. Soundcore has been going really hard this year. I did see they had like Neo and Lecrae and I think DJ Mustard promoting their earbuds. So yeah, let's see what it has on the inside. It has targeted active noise cancelling designed to eliminate the most disruptive and intrusive noises in everyday situations. So you get the transport mode, indoor mode, and outdoor mode, just like you get on the headphones. And it says join the audio revolution, and there you're greeted with your earbuds. I actually picked the blue color. They had a lot of really cool colors in these. They had like a black color, a pink, which was really like a rose gold. They had a white, and then they had blue. So I'm gonna unbox these now. Really like the packaging on that. Okay. This is the case. This case feels really nice. This is like a really cold metal. It's really cold because this has been in my mailbox for a few hours, so yeah, it's really cold. It looks like it's a sliding case. It's a pretty decent size. It's not too big in my opinion. Definitely will be able to fit in my pocket. Let me just reach in my pocket. Yeah, it could definitely fit in my pocket fairly easily. Okay, I'm gonna get to the earbuds in a minute. Let's see what else comes in here first. Here are your user manuals. Let's try to get this. Too lazy to actually break it. Okay, so here's just your normal customer service information, and I will tell you, Soundcore has amazing customer service, guys. I've always been a fan of just how quickly and efficient their customer service is. I actually had an issue with the Life Q30 headphones, and they replaced it with barely any questioning. It was a super easy process. So huge shout out to Soundcore's customer service. So you get your quick start guide, just your safety information. Okay, what else comes in the box? You also get a USB Type-C charging cable. This does charge by USB Type-C, and also wireless charging. And one thing I do like about Soundcore, look at all of these earbud tips. So your sound will definitely vary, like based on how good the fit is. So you really want to choose the best fit for the size of your ear, what creates the best seal that will help you get better noise canceling, as well as like a better bass response and overall sound quality. So I really like how Soundcore includes, let's see, 2, 4, 8 different kinds of 8 different sizes of ear tips. And let's see if there are any that comes on the actual earbuds. Okay, it's a struggle getting these out. Okay, I'm gonna pause this so I can get these earbuds out. Okay guys, so I just got the earbuds out of the packaging and I just put them in the case. I'm just gonna show you how you would take them out of the case. So you can see the case slides open and close. You do get a indicator on the case letting you know like the battery level. And it's a really smooth case. It feels really nice. It's like a matte finish to it. You get your USB spot on the back. Let me see. I believe this button is to help with pairing. Okay, let me slide it open for you. I'm gonna take these earbuds out. Okay, so these are the earbuds. Just dropped it. Okay, so these are what the earbuds look like. Again, I have the blue color. I'm really liking the feel of it. It feels just like the case in certain parts, just really smooth, has a matte finish. Okay, the stems are not really that long. You get your Soundcore branding on there. Just really like the design and color of these earbuds so far. Okay, it does have 6 microphones on each earbud. Couldn't find all of them. It looks like those are 2 on the top. Couldn't really find any other ones. They might be like plugged into the charger prongs. So yeah, it's really easy to put this in the case as well. Just gotta, it's all magnetic. So yeah, and again, this is super pocketable. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my phone so that I can try to pair these. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pair these to my phone. All you have to do is just open up the charging case and it should show up. Okay, there you can see it, it's just popped up. Those are the Liberty Air 2 Pros. Just gonna allow access and pair. And connect it that quick, 100% battery. Let me just take them out. See if it gives me any prompts or anything. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the Soundcore app on my phone. Soundcore. Okay, those are the Life Q30s that I had connected. Okay. Go to the Liberty series. Liberty Air 2 Pro. They're searching. Okay, and it looks like they're set. Okay, I'm gonna download that firmware. Install. Got it. Okay, so it looks like I have to take these off so that I can update the firmware, and I'll get back with you in a second. Okay guys, so now these are actually paired. I just downloaded the firmware update and I'm just going to show you around the Soundcore app. This is one of the best features about the Soundcore earbuds. They come with an app in which is just highly customizable. So first I'm just going to show you the noise modes. This is really important. So you get your noise cancellation. You can choose from transport, indoor, outdoor, or you can customize your own amount of noise cancellation. You also get a transparency mode. You get fully transparent so you can hear everything around you. And then you get a vocal mode in which you can focus on voices around you. The transparency mode, again, you can just play your music, but the microphones on the earbuds will also bring in noises around you. That's what the transparency mode is. And of course, normal mode is just your normal mode. No noise cancellation or transparency at all. Okay, so now to the equalizer. So first and foremost, Hear ID. This is really cool actually. So what Hear ID is, you could just read that description. I'll keep it here. Basically what it is, it's like a customized profile. So you will go through a sound test, you'll put these earbuds in, and then Soundcore will like send different types of sounds and frequencies, and you will respond to them a certain way, and basically we'll just map out what is best for your hearing. So yeah, and also there are a lot of preset equalizers in here. So there's your Soundcore signature, you get your acoustic, bass booster, hip hop, whatever you prefer, you can pick it. And I believe a lot of these are like tuned by like Grammy nominated engineers and things. Soundcore does like promote that. Okay, and then you also get a custom equalizer. I know nothing about like this type of thing, like changing the audio levels, or yeah, I just know nothing about it. I can't even talk about it. So yeah, and then the last thing is you can actually adjust the controls on your earbuds. So you get a double tap or you get a hold for 2 seconds, but you can adjust what you want those actions to do. So here are all of your options for double tap. You get your volume up or down, next or previous, play, pause, voice assistant, or you can turn the ambient mode with the double tap. Hold for 2 seconds, you get a little bit more. You could use noise cancellation, transparency mode, normal, and then the volume up or down, next or previous, play, pause, or your voice assistant. This is compatible with Siri and Google. So yeah, I'm going to find out which earbuds fit, which ear tips fit best for me, and then play some music and see how they sound. Okay guys, so right now I have the earbuds on. As you can see, I really like the design of them. They're just like a very subtle type design. It's not really too loud or anything, but they still look really nice. That's what I like about the design of them. And very minimal branding, like you can't really see the branding unless you're like super close. So that's what I like about the design of the earbuds. I just put in the large ear tips because I felt that's what fit my ear best, in terms of like the seal and everything. I just feel like I'll get the best sound quality out of the large ear tips that came in the box. So right now I'm actually going to go into the Soundcore app and just test these quick settings in terms of noise cancellation, the ambient sounds. So right now it's in normal, so I'm going to turn on the transparency mode. Okay, I just turned it on fully transparent, so I definitely hear like my air conditioning louder. That's the only thing I can really hear right now. It's the air conditioning. That's the only thing I can really measure this by. And let me switch to vocal mode and transparency mode, and that's actually a little lower, and I can hear my voice a lot. Like I can hear my voice really clear right now. It sounds like it's being projected from a microphone or something. It sounds like I'm on a phone call. That's what it sounds like. So yeah, the transparency mode looks like it works pretty nicely in terms of grabbing the sound from around you, and the vocal mode definitely does, because I can just feel like each word pretty nicely. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on noise cancellation, and that completely cut out my air conditioning. Right now I'm in the transport mode. I'm gonna switch to indoor mode to see if I can tell a difference. Can't really tell a difference yet. Outdoor. Still can't really tell a difference yet. There is a custom mode, but I'm not sure how to use it. It's just a big circle. I really hope Soundcore like cleans that up by making it something more readable. But yeah, I do believe the indoor mode is probably the strongest because that is the strongest mode in my Wife Q30 headphones. I've always found the indoor to be the strongest amount of noise cancellation. So yeah, I'll do some more testing when I'm like actually outside or something. So now I'm actually gonna play some music. What should I play? I'm just gonna play some Saba. I really like Saba. I feel like he's one of the most underrated rappers out there. So I'm gonna play Gray by Saba. This is my first time listening to any music on these.
The best song was probably on the B-side. Won't be surprised when the label denied the super.
Okay, what EQ am I in first of all? Let me see what EQ I set. Okay, so the EQ that I'm in currently is bass booster, and I could definitely tell the bass is definitely boosted on that song. I just played a song called Gray by Saba. I will leave like a screenshot or something up on the screen so you guys can listen to it if you want to know what kind of music I like. But yeah, the bass was definitely present, but everything else was like crystal clear. The bass was like only boosted in like the areas where it was supposed to be boosted, like in just like different beat drops, and when like the drums would hit in the beat, because it's like a pretty upbeat song. And I really like that about Soundcore. They just know what to accentuate in music. You could tell they definitely spend like a lot of time on their drivers and just in their audio products in general. I really like that about Soundcore. The Soundcore signature, that's been my favorite EQ for most of their products, just because I really feel like they do a really good job of keeping things like crystal clear in the Soundcore signature preset. And then like when something just like bass or anything like that is supposed to be highlighted, that equalizer definitely highlights it. So yeah, that's my favorite preset in terms of the EQs on the Soundcore app. But yeah, these sound great. They definitely sound similar to the Liberty Air 2s. I'll have to like wear them to be able to tell the difference. But yeah, they don't really sound too much better in my opinion, but the noise cancellation is a nice extra feature. So yeah, I will probably be doing a video comparing the Liberty Air 2s and the Liberty Air 2 Pros, and maybe with some other earbuds that I have around the same price. So yeah, if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, I just want you to be strong.